have fun to the correct beach. I've been to the beach. I've been to beaches in my life, but this is so different. The beaches I've been to, they are beaches, but this is the actual standard, yo. Like, take a look. Give them 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look.
You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep. My faith will stand. So